Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Veeam Partner Spotlight. I'm Tyler Jurgen, Senior Technical Product Marketing Manager here at Veeam, and together with me today, I've got Hannes from Proxmox. Hannes, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hello, I'm Hannes. I'm Global Partner Manager at Proxmox, and we're excited to share some big news today and opportunities.
Absolutely. And so why don't we get started with what's going on with the market today? With all the VMware Broadcom changes, customers and partners are facing skyrocketing virtualization costs, restrictive licensing, and uncertainty about future partner support. So, Hannes, what does that mean for you guys over there at Proxmox?
Yeah, it means that customers are facing rising ransomware attacks as well, and IT teams are struggling to protect their virtualized environments. And partners like you are being asked for modern, cost-effective solutions that don't compromise on security nor flexibility.
Yeah, that's definitely a good point. So, that's why we find partnership between Veeam and Proxmox couldn't have come at a better time. Veeam now natively supports a Proxmox virtual environment, giving customers powerful new options for modernized virtualization and data resilience. So what does that mean for us together?
That means together we deliver a unified, simple, and secure solution that is perfect for organizations seeking to move off of legacy stacks and to protect workloads everywhere. So let's look at what customers are telling us. Yeah, they're concerned about vendor lock-in and unpredictable licensing costs and support. They like easy, robust, and secure backup for virtualized environments, and they need to defend themselves against ransomware and meet compliance requirements.
Right. And they really want solutions that are easy to deploy, easy to manage, and scale without sacrificing enterprise-grade protection. Veeam's data platform now fully integrates with Proxmox virtual environment. That means agentless automated backup and recovery for VMs managed from a single console. Plus, that built-in immutability, which we all know is so critical these days, and that portable data format, which means no more vendor lock-in. So, was there anything else I should mention there, Hannes?
Yeah, don't forget deduplication, compression for efficient storage, and native support for cloud backup and disaster recovery. So customers can future-proof their infrastructure and adopt cloud at their own pace. Where does this matter most? We see two big use cases. VMware replacement migrations, that means helping customers move off of legacy stacks with minimal disruption. And second, ransomware resilience, means providing immutable backups and rapid restore capabilities.
Right, and you can't overlook compliance and hybrid cloud adoption. Our joint solution makes these both easier than ever. So what can customers expect to gain? They can get lower cost, reduced risks, and improved operational agility. That stronger security posture and faster recovery from cyber incidents, as well as a simplified management and future-ready flexibility. Hannes, we've talked a little bit. What does that mean for you guys and for our customers?
For us, it means differentiation. Yeah, we offer a compelling VMware alternative for all of your current and new customers. We ensure recurring revenue. Yeah, we enable managed services and cloud backup and disaster recovery as a service. And there's a big upsell. Yeah, it helps customers modernize, protect edge sites, and adopt to cloud.
Plus, you get full support of Veeam and Proxmox partner programs. To get started, visit the Veeam Partner Portal or visit Proxmox for resources, guides, and more. So come visit us today. Check us out.